What's up, guys? My name is Dustin. Welcome back again, and I wanted to make another video today about detaching yourself from the end result as well as time management. And really what I thought about during the pandemic, right, was I had all these like goals and aspirations, but the end result was just not coming to me. For example, like I remember I wanted to go for a promotion at work, right? Very competitive to like actually get promoted, but because like they can only pick a certain number of people, right? And then the pandemic happened. So it's like, everyone's promotion got delayed. And I was really disappointed that, man, like, why can't I get promoted? I've already put in so much hard work. But that kind of thinking, though, of being so attached to an end result is really toxic and negative. And let me explain, like, when you're attached to a certain outcome that is external from you, you really have no say. You have an influence on it, but you don't have an end say on the end result. So like, don't attach yourself to end result. When it comes to relationships, money, right? A lot of those things are so external from you. Don't be attached to it. Have those expectations, squashed out, thrown out, and instead focus on the things that you can actually do that would actually make a difference. And spending your time, spending the time blocks and actually executing and doing the work. So, for example, like, making these YouTube videos, I really don't want to make these videos, right? But I do know that, it gives me a sense of like progression of how I'm actually presenting myself in these videos. And I'm actually getting better in editing my videos and, like presenting myself in these videos and talking, talking spontaneously, right? Like, whereas before, I remember my first like 2 videos on selling options, I had to write everything out and read it word for word on a freaking teleprompter. It was like, that's nuts. But now I'm able to speak my ideas more freely, and it flows a little bit better. I'm still bad at it, but I'm getting better at it with time. So I just want to like really emphasize, when you have a lot of free time, right? Don't squander it. Use it for something, but don't look for the end result of being the reason why you're doing something. Let the process actually guide you, and enjoy actually putting in that time, putting in that work. Because one day the end result that you're looking for may or may not come. The end result does matter still, but more so that matters even more is putting in that work and growing as an individual of who you will become as you go towards that goal, right? The person you become matters far more than the actual end result itself. So that's all I want to say to you guys today. It's more of like a kind of like a mindset thing, right? But it's really important, because as we're living our lives day to day, right? The people we become, and the way we leverage and utilize our time and our most important asset, is going to matter more than anything that we achieve, right? Anything more than we obtain financially, right? It matters more. Like it ultimately matters at how we actually spend our lives, and feeling that sense of progression, and being able to like grow as individuals, and facing on our fears, and facing my fears head on has been one of the most important and most invigorating things that I can possibly do for myself. So doing these videos has been great. I like to express my ideas, and I hope you find some value in it. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.